Guys, please pay the attention. Steps are important here. You need to be careful on performing each and every step. First is execute the transaction code mask. You need to select the correct object here. You can press F4 and select the relevant object. If you are making the changes in business partner, you can select the relevant business partner object. If it is material, you can select the relevant material object. After selecting the object here, click on execute, click on continue. Okay. Are you able to see the mass maintenance business partner screen? Can everyone see now mass maintenance business partner screen? Should I proceed? Select the group wherein that field exists and you want to do the modification. Let us select first one, the mass update. We are making the changes in the general data. After selecting the relevant group or tables, click on the fields. Click on the fields. System will bring only those fields which exist here in this particular group. Okay. You want to block the customer centrally. Select this block and click on execute again. Okay. Click on this continue pop-up. You need to give here the range. How you can give the range? I'll explain you again. You can click on this multiple selection functionality. You guys are able to see this multiple selection. Click on this arrow. Here you can copy from the Excel file in one go and click on this tab. Click on this functionality. Upload from the clipboard. That means whatever you have selected from the Excel file, just click here. All the data will get pasted in one go. Clear, guys? For example, you have pasted 5,000 records. Okay. Maximum allowed limit for this selection is 5,000. So you have pasted 5,000. Click on this execution button. This is called execution. Click on this icon. All the data has copied into these fields in this range. Okay. Once it is copied, you can click on execute again. No data meet the selection criteria. Reason is there are some issues with this business partner. Okay. Let us take some other data. Whatever I have copied from there, I have pasted everything here. Click on execute, execute again. Now here we have selected to put the block. Okay, We will click here, and after clicking here, this screen is visible, guys. Mass maintenance of the business partner. This is important step. You need to click here. Once you will click on this mass performance change, perform mass change. As soon as you will click here, all these checkbox will get selected in one go. Okay, click on this. Can you see the changes here? After this, you need to click on the save. Once you will be clicking on the save, system will perform the mass change in the background. This will happen behind the scenes, guys. You can see on the front screen that checkboxes are selected, but in the back end, system is performing the blocking activity for the number of customers that you have selected. Okay, click on continue. Error free change has been saved from 1 to 51 customers. In case for this particular customer there was some issue, system has brought up some errors. For remaining which customers were error free, system has performed the mass update. This is how we need to perform the mass change. Any question from anyone? Can you see here? Flag, central flag. Previously it was not here. As soon as I have refreshed, flag been updated, right? Yeah. You are asking. You can unblock. You can update a field value. You can remove a field value. You can update the master data, material master data. There are many things that important here is how you are exploring the things, guys. Okay, over to you guys now.